This was the same number that he used when he...
Ayan na, matindi to, mainit to eh. Yung binanggit niya na nag-usap daw sila ni Torre, tas binanggit yung cellphone number. Tingnan nyo nagulat ako dito, binanggit niya yung number, binanggit niya yung number. Pakinggan nyo yung number ni Torre. Kung kailangan nyo ng textmate, ako po yun. Kung may mensahe po kayo kay Torre, i-message nyo po ako. Wala ako Wag nyong i-message si Torre, baka mamaya kung ano-ano i-message nyo kay Torre. Wag ganun. Wag Wag nyong i-message si Torre, baka mamaya kung ano-ano sasabihin nyo kay Torre. Wag ganun wag nyong... Baka sabihin naman ni Torre. Hindi, kasi kung may mensahe kayo kay Torre, sa social media. Wag sa personal niyang number,
Sinabi niya, wala siya doon at wala si Pauline. Hindi nila nakuli. Si Pauline Canada wala sa kanila.
Hindi po ako nagsabi nito. Si attorney, piniplay lang natin.
Buti na lang, merong nakakuha ng video. Kaya sinend namin kay attorney. Hindi attorney nakuha nila. Kasi may video tayo. Pero, lantaran sinabi ni General Torre na wala si Pauline Canada doon sa kanilang kustodiya. Sinabi, I would like to ask Attorney Torion na mailabas yun, attorney, yung nangyari doon kay Pauline Canada, yung sinasabi lang na huli, na fugitive ko na hindi. Nasa bahay si Pauline that time. Pero after noon, na naglagay na ng patong na 10 million pesos kay Pastor at 1 million sa bawat isa sa kanila.
Yan. Nahuli kasi yung isa, tapos itinanggi ni Torre na nasa custody nila, tapos eventually dahil nagpa-press con si Atty. Torion, biglang, hindi pala press con, nagpa-interview sa SMNI, biglang inamin na nila. Ito yung usapan nila ni Torre Pakinggan nyo na maigi. Isimula, importante simula.
Well, as to that, Your Honor, when I heard about the news that Pauline Canada was already arrested, the first action that I did was to text the good General Torre, Your
Naku,
Honor.
tinext niya si General Torre. Tingnan nga natin, totoo ba? Totoo ba? Na tinext mo? Hindi, kasi yan ang tanong dyan eh. Totoo ba? Parang si Mike Tae. Totoo ba? Na tinext mo? Si General Torre? Paano mo mapapatunayang totoo na tinext mo si General Torre? Patunayan mo nga! Eto na.
In his number, which he used in also contacting me on...
Wag niyong tatandaan yung number Wag niyong tatandaan. Wag niyong tatandaan yung number. Wag. Wag niyong itatype dyan yung number Wag niyong itatype dyan yung number. Baka mamaya matanda nung iba.
0917-549-3972.
Ano daw? Hindi, kasi sinasabi na iba, bakit nyo kailangang banggitin yung number? Hindi, patunay lang yon. Ay, grabe naman, Diego Latigo. Patunay lang yon na tinext niya talaga si General Torre. Di ba? Grabe naman si Diego Latigo. Sabi ko, wag mo i-type dyan eh. Kau talaga, Kau talaga, Diego Latigo. Hindi. Kaya, baka kasi nagagalit yung iba. Bakit daw sinabi ni Atty. Torion yung number? Kasi there is a relation. Kaya niya sinabi yung number para patunayan na talagang tinext ko. Talagang nag-text kaming dalawa. Ito yung number niya, na hindi pwedeng i-deny ni Torre na nag-text kami.
He used...
You need that
Yes, Your Honor. Okay.
side the cellphone number.
Yes, Your Honor. This was the same number...
Tama sa GCash? Guys, tama sa... Grabe ka. Ang galing talaga ng mga investigative journalist ng Banateros, Ang galing ng journalist. Chinek ni Garski kaagad sa GCash. Ano nakalagay sa GCash? Huwag niyong padadalan sa GCash, Huwag niyo namang... sandali, mga kababayan, ako'y nananawagan sa mga Banateros, Ako'y nananawagan sa mga Banateros. Please behave. Huwag niyo namang iti-text si General Torre. Tao pa rin yan. Huwag niyo mumurahin, kayo naman. Huwag niyo namang mumurahin po yung tao. Tao pa ho yan. Kahit ho we disagree with him, wag niyo hong mumurahin, wag ninyong, hindi ho tama yun. Tama po ba? Hindi, ako I'm appealing to you. I'm appealing to you. Please, do not text. Baka kung ano-ano pa iti-text nyo dyan. Huwag nyo iti-text. At kung ano-ano sasabihin ninyo. Huwag nyo ipararamdam sa kanya yung nararamdaman nyo. Huwag nyo sasabihin kung ano yung nararamdaman nyo sa kanya. Out of coverage, wag nyo nang wag nyo rin eto mga kababayan, wag nyo rin i-check sa Viber. Kasi minsan, pagka i-check mo sa Viber, lumalabas talaga yung pangalan nila. Huwag nyo i-check sa Viber. Okay? Parang awa nyo na. Huwag nyong, kasi hindi ho tama Hindi ho tama na iti-text natin, magagalit tayo, sasabihan natin ng disagreement natin, mumurahin natin, tapos kung huwag ho tayong gumaya sa iba. Wag nyo titingnan wag nyo sasabihan sa Viber. At saka una-una, pag tinext nyo, hindi naman niya matatanggap kung naka-off. Unless sa Viber. Diba? So, wag nyo na, please lang, wag nyo na hong iti-text. Pati sa Viber. Parang awa nyo na. Wag nyo i-text. Okay? Wag nyo please lang, let's behave. Wag nyo mumurahin. Behave. Be nice. Okay? Be nice. Wag nyo mumurahin, wag nyo okay? Tandaan nyo, tao pa rin po yan.
That he used when he texted me on June 24 at 3:53 p.m. His text message is still here, Your Honor. I would not...
Grabe to, Wag kayong o-order ng Paris dyan sa number. Sama na ugali mo, Brett. Medyo may pagkaano ka rin, Sutil ka rin, Huwag nyo namang orderan ng Paris yan.
Read what is inside in the particular text message. But on July 11, on the date that Ma'am Pauline Canada was arrested, I texted him at 2:50 p.m.
Okay, pa-test check ko yon.
Your Honor, 2 text messages inquiring as to where can I visit Ma'am Pauline Canada. I likewise called him twice, but there was no answer. And then at 4:25 p.m., I texted him. Meron kasi video na dadakip talaga siya na napasa sa amin. So kaya nagtanong ako paano ako makausap siya. And then there was likewise no reply. What I did was I went to the PNP regional office myself, Your Honor. And I was entertained by a lady staff who claimed that she is the secretary, policewoman, Your Honor, of General Torre. I was made to wait in the waiting area on the left side.
May iyakin.
On the left side.
May iyakin, sabi dun. Don't support this banat by loser. May iyakin, Iyak ka na, iyak na.
And according to the policewoman, Your Honor, that General Torre was not there and that they do not have any knowledge insofar as Paulinda is concerned. Hindi daw nila alam. So, sabi ko may video kasi na napakita. Hindi rin daw niya alam. So, nagpa-picture na lang ako doon sa harap ng kanilang office po to prove that I was there. And then I had one of my associates write a letter po, Your Honor, and had it officially received by PNP RO11 po at around 6 o'clock in the evening already or 5 in the evening, Your Honor. And it was received, Your Honor. And still at that time, there was no news as to where Pauline Canada was until I decided, Your Honor, to request SMNI to have an interview, Your Honor, so that it will be known that we already have knowledge and that we are looking for Pauline Canada as to her whereabouts. And it was beamed live on TV. And at that time, according to Ma'am Pauline Canada, when I was able to talk to her the next day in Camp Crame, she was already in Manila. And at that time when I was in the regional police office, she was only a few meters away from the main office of General Torre, being interrogated, Your Honor, without legal counsel by certain police personnel, including General Torre. That is the statement of Pauline Canada. And when they arrived already in Manila, the first thing that they did, Your Honor, when they were in the vehicle, was to turn on the radio, Your Honor, and they heard me talking on TV, Your Honor, that we are calling on the police to please inform us as to where Pauline Canada, because...
Ayan, katulad niyan, hindi yung nagre-reklamo si Atty. Torion o ang KOJC tungkol dito sa pag-aresto kay Canada. Ang nirereklamo nila dyan, dapat pag inaresto yan, may present na lawyer every time pagsasalitain. Ang problema, itinago nila. Kung hindi pa lumabas sa SMNI at kung wala pang video, kasi na-video Kaya nga ngayon, every time na nire-raid po yung mga community, kino-confiscate o pinagbabawalan kuhanan ng video. May video yan, kaya hindi nila dininay. Dininay nila noong una, hindi nila alam, naglabas ng video ang SMNI. So, sa madaling salita, na-booking po sila. Yan yung nirereklamo ngayon ng etong si Atty. Torion, na after, tsaka nyo pa inilabas, tsaka nyo sinabi. So, ibig sabihin, di ba, every time, remember this uulitin ko sa mga tangang nanunood na follower nila Coach Jarrett, at saka mga follower ni Sangkay, wala na si Sangkay. Follower ni Mike Abe, at saka follower nung Mike Tae, Chris Tae pala. Pati si Makmak Humpak. Makinig kayo ha. Hindi pa po yan ibig sabihin guilty na. Yang warrant na yan, it doesn't mean guilty na. Hindi po yan conviction. Iba po yung warrant na yan. Kaya nga, magtataka kayo, di ba? May warrant. Minsan may nakakalaya pa after nung warrant. I-message nyo ako dun sa number. Hindi, totoo. Bakit nakakalaya pa? Kasi nga, meron pa pwede yung mayroong mga bailable. Yan po yung sila po ay hindi pa guilty, hindi pa po sila convicted, iba po yun. Okay? Malinaw. Hindi pa po yung conviction. So, dapat every time na kinakausap, dapat every time may abogado. Yun yung nirereklamo nila Atty. Torion at ng KOJC. Dapat may abogado. Hindi na naman sinunod. Kaya nga sabi ni ni Bato, kung ako si PNP chief, wala na sa akin yan.